Hello, everyone. It's great to see you all again in episode 7 of our Conversational English series. In the previous episode, we started putting idioms into practice. Today, I'll continue with another 100 common conversational phrases, helping you use the idioms from episodes 3 and 4 more naturally and fluently. Each phrase is not just knowledge, but also a way for us to connect with the world. Let's nurture our minds and elevate our language skills together right now. I'll keep an eye on your progress. I'll keep an eye on your progress. Don't spill the beans to anyone. Don't spill the beans to anyone. Fixing this car is not rocket science. Fixing this car is not rocket science. I need a rain check on our meeting. I need a rain check on our meeting. Stop being such a couch potato. Stop being such a couch potato. Let's go back to the drawing board. Let's go back to the drawing board. It costs an arm and a leg to travel. It costs an arm and a leg to travel. She's snowed under with work lately. She's snowed under with work lately. Cut to the chase and tell me the truth. Cut to the chase and tell me the truth. I feel under the weather this morning. I feel under the weather this morning. I have no idea about the result. I have no idea about the result. Keep it under wraps until the party. Keep it under wraps until the party. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. It's time to face the music. It's time to face the music. That's for sure, you're right. That's for sure, you're right. Let's get the ball rolling now. Let's get the ball rolling now. I'll be there in a heartbeat. I'll be there in a heartbeat. You're pulling my leg, aren't you? You're pulling my leg, aren't you? Stop building castles in the air. Stop building castles in the air. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew. That was the last straw for me. That was the last straw for me. It's better safe than sorry. It's better safe than sorry. We'll play it by ear for now. We'll play it by ear for now. If you need to talk, I'm all ears. If you need to talk, I'm all ears. Use a joke to break the ice. Use a joke to break the ice. She has a heart of gold. She has a heart of gold. You can't please everyone. You can't please everyone. Keep your chin up, buddy. Keep your chin up, buddy. It's written all over your face. It's written all over your face. I'll keep my fingers crossed for you. I'll keep my fingers crossed for you. You look so blue today. You look so blue today. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. Met him? It's a small world. Met him? It's a small world. You need to pull yourself together. You need to pull yourself together. Please don't get me wrong. Please don't get me wrong. I am snowed under right now. I am snowed under right now. That house costs an arm and a leg. That house costs an arm and a leg. Tell me, I'm all ears. Tell me, I'm all ears. It's a long story, actually. It's a long story, actually. We see them once in a blue moon. We see them once in a blue moon. Don't spill the beans yet. Don't spill the beans yet. You're barking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree. Let's play it by ear tonight. Let's play it by ear tonight. He truly has a heart of gold. He truly has a heart of gold. Keep your chin up, everything will be fine. Keep your chin up, everything will be fine. You hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head. I've been under the weather. I've been under the weather. The truth is written all over your face. The truth is written all over your face. Better safe than sorry. Check it again. Better safe than sorry. Check it again. Stop crying over spilled milk. Stop crying over spilled milk. Let's call it a day, everyone. Go. Let's call it a day, everyone. Go out there and break a leg. Go out there and break a leg. I'll keep my fingers crossed. I'll keep my fingers crossed. Why are you so blue? Why are you so blue? Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. It's a small world. It's a small world. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm snowed under. I'm snowed under. It costs an arm and a leg. It costs an arm and a leg. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. It's a long story. It's a long story. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Don't spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. Barking up the wrong tree. Barking up the wrong tree. Play it by ear. Play it by ear. Heart of gold. Heart of gold. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Under the weather. Under the weather. Written all over your face. Written all over your face. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Call it a day. Call it a day. Break a leg. Break a leg. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. Couch potato. Couch potato. Not rocket science. Not rocket science. Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Snowed under. Snowed under. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Rain check. Rain check. Keep fingers crossed. Keep fingers crossed. Pull your leg. Pull your leg. Build castles in the air. Build castles in the air. Bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew. Last straw. Last straw. Face the music. Face the music. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. In a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. Under a lot of stress. Under a lot of stress. Small world. Small world. Let it go. Let it go. Everything will get better. Everything will get better. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Episode 7, with its 100 colorful conversational phrases, has come to an end. Hathan hopes that through these episodes, English will no longer be just dry words, but become a companion that nourishes the soul of each of us. Thank you for listening and supporting the Hathan VN2 channel. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video from Hathan. Goodbye.